reminder, my name is Ezra Ilamaran and my matrix number is 25DDT19F2049.
Very warm wishes to my madam Zamira. I'm Novin from DDT2E with the matric cards number of 25DDT19F1158. So today I'm going to be talking about the differences between the RISC and CISC. So what this RISC stands for is RISC is actually a reduced instruction set computer. So and the differences from that with CISC is CISC stands for complex instruction set computer. And what these differences have between them is the RISC processor have simple instructions by taking about one clock cycle from an instruction. So by one instruction that is being executed, it only takes one cycle. But for CISC, it normally takes about multiple instruction sets, where it can range from about 2 to 15 cycles. The next differences is the performance of the software is more optimized compared to CISC, where the performance is optimized by the hardware itself. And also RISC has no memory unit and it uses separate hardware to implement instruction, whereas CISC, it has its own hardware and own memory unit to implement complex instructions. Also, it has a hardwired unit of programming, where CISC has multi-programming unit. The instruction set is reduced. It only has few instruction set, many of which is primitive. And also, if you compare it to CISC, the instruction set is very different. It can be used for any multiple sort of operations now.
In RISC, complex addressing modes are synthesized using the software, while CISC is already supports complex addressing mode, which is CISC addressing mode is synthesized while using the software. When the software is running, the addressing mode are synthesized. But meanwhile, CISC already having the support in complex addressing mode. The eighth difference is register sets. RISC has multiple register sets present, while CISC has only one register set, which is single register set. Okay, the ninth difference is pipeline. RISC has a highly pipelined, meanwhile CISC, they are normally not pipelined or less pipelined. The 10th difference is complexity. Okay, in RISC, the complexity lies with the compiler and execute the program, which means the RISC is depending on the compiler to execute a program. Meanwhile, CISC lies on the microprogram, which means CISC lies on the complexity of the microprogram. Okay, the 11th difference is execution time. First of all, in RISC, the execution time is very less, which is very minimal. Meanwhile, in CISC, the execution time is very high. The next difference is code expansion. In RISC, code expansion can be a problem. Meanwhile, in CISC, is not a problem. The difference, you can find the difference what? In RISC, there can be a problem. A problem might be occur. But in CISC, there cannot be a problem, where in code expansion. The next is decoding. Next difference is decoding. In RISC, the decoding of instruction is very simple. Initially, it's very simple. But in CISC, the decoding instruction is very complex, which is not to say very simple. It is some slightly hard and much complex. Okay. The next difference is external memory. In RISC, it does not require external memory for calculation. For calculation, external memory such as SD card or something like that. Not like SD card. External memory, it does not need an additional memory. For any calculation. But in CISC, it requires an additional memory, which means an external memory for calculations. Okay, the last difference is end application. RISC architecture is used in high-end applications such as video processing, telecommunication, and image processing. Meanwhile, CISC architecture is used in low-end applications such as security system, home automation, and etc. That's all for the 15 difference between reduced instruction set computer and complex instruction set computer. Thank you.